Welcome back, gentlemen, and one fine lady. Here we got this 5.3 Chevy Suburban work truck, and this thing's been around the block, and someone's been trying to fix this like hell, and it created a whole bunch of more problems, and there's like 5 things that were stopping this car from starting. First one, ignition switch. They put it in wrong, index wrong, wasn't cranking, okay? So next, they got a battery from Walmart. Got a bad cell, drops 4 volts, put a load on it. Okay, so they tried replacing the battery cable, negative battery cable, and they didn't get a good connection down to the block. So that was causing another problem. And probably what one of their original problems was is down under at the starter, which is really hard to get at, the positive battery cable was loose on the starter. Okay, so got that fixed, and it would crank, but it wouldn't start, right? After a while, I ended up figuring out that the ground wire for the injectors, or for the ignition coil, had gone bad. So overlaid a new ground wire, and finally she's going. But 5 damn things keep this thing from starting. So bring them on, folks. Bring them to me.